Hello, this is a quick video to explain how you can sign up for MyMathLab to give you a visualization to go with all the written instructions and so forth. So first you need to go to MyLab.com at Pearson, www.pearson.com/mylab. There's also a link in Blackboard. You can click and it'll take you to this page. You can also just Google MyMathLab, Pearson, log in. All those things will get you to this page. So once you're here, you need to click here to register now as a student. So if I click this, you get to this point in time. It's a reminder you need three things. You need your email address. This is your Texas A&M University Texarkana email address. Don't use a different one because it causes way too many problems. Then you have your course ID right here. And then you have your access code. All right, so you have these three things. Now this is one that you need to provide. This is one that I have specific. And then you click OK, we're gonna register. So I'm gonna give you an example. I'm gonna use the ID for one of my other classes. It's a linear algebra class. You're welcome to, you can use it if it's here in the linear algebra, otherwise I wouldn't recommend it. So if I just was giving you the ID, and again, look in the syllabus, I have that ID. It's usually a Bailey followed by a bunch of numbers. So you punch in those numbers like this, and it should pop up, and it should have something about that specific course, mentioning my name, when the course ends, etc. And then you need to, if you already have an account with Pearson, put in your username and your password right here. If you don't, click create. So I'm just gonna make this up. So we're gonna go not_real_fake at tnt.edu. Totally making this up. Username, okay. Password, sure. We'll use their generic one. And again, we'll just do the same thing. Yep, it's the same thing. My name is not real. Security question, father's middle name. Okay, so you got to click this. If any of these apply, just click here, and don't want to create anything. Okay. Sorry, my computer automatically popped it up. Okay, now you're going to get to this page. So now it comes an option. Once we've gotten that, so that's where we've used our course ID, and we've also used our email address. So now the question is about the access code. So if you already bought the access code from the bookstore, you can enter it right here by clicking that. If you want, you can use PayPal. Most of them are about this price. This is what the linear algebra class costs. Or you can also click this. Now I'm going to point this out. There's a temporary access for 14 days. It's only good for 14 days, and then you're going to have to pay. But that will buy you 14 days to earn some money. Maybe you're waiting for the next paycheck or something else, student aid or whatever. If you want, you can click on this. I will just point out, if you click on that option, it just asks if you really do want that and how to learn more about it and so forth. And then you'll have to go through there. It's just you'll get a reminder you have to actually take care of it. Let's just close that. So make sure that you do all this. Now, I will point out that once you purchase access to a course, you're really purchasing access to the book. So if you've taken a class within the last 2 years, and that's what most of the books have on them, it's been less than 2 years with the exact same text. Not the same text, but different edition, but everything must be the same edition and everything. Then you can actually just go ahead and reuse it. You don't need to have to go get a new code. But if that's not the case, you're gonna need a new code. Yeah, they're about $100. Unfortunately, that's just the cost. It's the best access we have at this time. All right, so all these things are built in for your help. Utilize them, register, and let me know if you have any questions.